So hello everyone, welcome to my another video. Today I will show you that how you can install two WhatsApp in one smartphone. Yes, you can install two WhatsApp in one smartphone. So first of all, you have to open Play Store and search for the app Parallel Space. Here you can see I have already installed it. After installing this app, you have to open it and you will see something like this. As you can see, I have different types of app that I am using in that parallel space app. If I show you, here is my first WhatsApp and here is my second WhatsApp. You can easily use two WhatsApp at one time, or any other app that you want to use two times you can use it. I will show you an example. For example, if I open that app and here you can see add app. This app will generate a clone of that app. For example, if I select Facebook, add to parallel space, and now I have two Facebook at one time. So you can use easily two apps at one time. I will upload different types of tricks and tips. So hope you guys enjoy our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel.